Happy May. Peg, are you there? There you are. I knew it. I knew it. It is, well, you know, it's giveaway time. It is finally the day that I promised for so long that there's going to be prizes today. No enameling, but prizes. So, hey, Angie, welcome. And we're going to start in just a couple minutes. It's going to be a really short stream today. I know I've been kind of not streaming lately, and it's going to continue like that because I'm about to head out of town to Portugal. So this is going to be the last quickie hurrah before I go. So we'll do the drawing in just a couple of minutes. So, hey, Drew, good luck. I have in my adventure hat everybody's name, so we'll start that in just a moment. So it is apparently a bank holiday today, which I didn't know. It's funny because Warren was telling me on Friday, he's like starting something at work, and they were like, oh, but Monday's a bank holiday, so we'll do it on Tuesday. And he's like, what is this bank holiday? And then somebody emailed me this weekend, and they're like, have a great bank holiday on Monday. And I'm like, what is this? Is this a new holiday? Are we celebrating that the banks are closed? So it's May Day. That's a better holiday than the bank holiday. So May Day seems good. So yeah, we're going to just get started in just a few minutes. It's funny because I have 2 viewers, but I see more than one person. I don't think my view count is totally accurate, but I just also uploaded I have it in this box, a new video where we made we made this. Let's see if we can see this ring. That we made it entirely using, well, not the enamel part, the arc welder, and that is just been dropped on my Vimeo, which is down here. Hey, Janet from Branson, welcome to the drawing. So that video is online, and man, you know, some videos are just a breeze, and some I struggle with, and I have existential crisis. I was literally like, I think I should just stop what I'm doing, throw this all away, and go get a job, I don't know, at Whole Foods or something. And then Warren was like, sweetie, they're not going to hire you at Whole Foods, so you better just get back in there and do whatever it is you do. So, but we did get this finished on the arc welder. And honestly, when I finished this ring, I was so excited about the arc welder, and I'm like, that's all I want to do is play with the arc welder and make more things entirely using the arc welder, because learning curve, but every time you get to another little level, it is so much fun. So yes, the most expensive piece of equipment in my studio is probably that arc welder, and it's the least utilized. So, but not for long. So, well, it's 12:04. Are we ready to let's just do the drawing. It's going to be quick, you know, literally like a 10-minute thing happening because I am leaving to go to Portugal. I'm so excited. And I have to make another video before I go. And the video is going to be about grinding lump enamels. And so I'm going to do that today. I've got a pack. I've got, you know, all of the things. Yes, the eyeball. So I should wear that. Maybe I'm going to wear it on the plane. We'll see. So are we ready to let's just do it. You have 6 people. You know what? Maybe you guys are the 6 winners. There we go. And then we call it a day. And so I'm going to go to the workbench so we can see. Hey, you know what? I'm still putting this on Vimeo. Really? Oh, wait, hold on, Vimeo. There we are. There's my Vimeo channel. Oh, 11. Perfect. Yeah, it still says 2. Whatever with OBS. So 11, that's a good enough amount. We have 5 prizes, and I have in this adventure hat that I will be wearing later, I have everybody who emailed me, and if you are subscribed to my Vimeo channel down there, or subscribe to me on Twitch. You are in here. Some people are in here twice if they're both of the things. Yes, I know. I've got you because I printed them all out today. And so we're just going to, without further ado, get started. We'll start with, we're going to just kind of, we'll end with the earrings. How's that? So we're going to start with this first prize. My very favorite orange in the entire world. This is Mikado orange. It is an Old Thompson enamel. Beautiful, a little bit, you know, tricky to work with silver, but a workhorse. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then also this is N26 Ninomiya medium yellow. It's a really vivid color. So you'll get these and then these two little samples. All right, let's pick the first winner. All right. I should hold it up so you can see that I'm not cheating. Let's pick the first winner. All right, ready? The first winner of the orange and yellow is, the Arnolda de Nuge in the Netherlands. So congratulations, Arnolda de Nooij, Nuige. Anyway, congratulations. I will mail that forsooth to the Netherlands for you. So congratulations. All right. What should we do next? Congratulations to the first one. Let's do these two opal. Excuse me as I spit up. We have 851 periwinkle opal and 849 hunter opal. These are both really kind of hard to come by Old Thompson opals. They're lovely. So who will win the opals? All right, I'm holding it up again. All right, try to get a good one, making sure they're all mixed up. Here we are. We're ready? Let's see who the next winner is. Anika Ladiner from Canada, where we were just going international. Congratulations, Anika. You have won the blue and green Thompson enamel opal set. So we're going to set you over there. I'm going to not put your address. Sorry, I don't want to show people's addresses. So congratulations, Anika. Let's do the next set of opals. Now this is a gorgeous T8 Blythe opal and a lovely Old Thompson 855 turquoise opal. I know everyone's like, who's going to win? I know hold on. Let's see. This is the opals. Here's a good one. Oh, there we go. I've picked one. Galen Miller. I don't know where you're from, Galen, and you'll need to send me your shipping address because I don't believe you did, or I would have printed it out on here. Congratulations, Galen Miller. You have won the blue and the white opals. There we go. You are right over there. Now let's do the reds because I love red enamels. We've got two beautiful samples. One is the wine, that is 1729 wine red, and then a really, really pretty, look at this, very warm red, that's 1066 garnet Old Thompson. And then an extra bonus, this mystery red Thompson leaded, it's a lump. You can watch the next video and learn how to break those lumps down if you win this one. So here we are. We're ready to win the reds. The reds. Now I feel bad for all the people that aren't winning. All right, hold on. Let's get a good one. There we go. This one right there. We got it. Here it is. Janine Slaman from Missouri City, Texas. Congratulations, Janine. You have won the red. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, sorry. Oop. Didn't mean to put your info. There we go. We're going to set you. And then finally, gosh, I was like, I love these earrings. These earrings are the grand prize. I've got a pair very similar that I wear all the time. They're lovely. They're shades of aqua and with aquamarine drops. Who will win these amazing earrings? Who indeed? Are we ready? I'm like, maybe we should take a break. It's like Christmas morning. Maybe someone needs to go make some lox and bagels, fresh coffee. All right. I'm shaking it up really well. Shaking it, shaking it. This is for the grand prize winner. And this one. All right. Let's just see. Glass and Fun, Deborah Wolford from New Zealand. Glass and Fun. Congratulations, Deborah. Don't know how long. I know. Oh, I'm sorry that everybody that did not win. I'm like, I should just go get more things and we should make everybody get a prize. That's always the disappointment. So Glass and Fun, Deborah. Congratulations in New Zealand. No idea how long this will take to get to you, but I will get that mailed out to you tomorrow morning. Good luck and congratulations to everybody that won. I feel like I don't have any more things to give away. I'm like, what could I give away? I want to do more. It's very, very appealing. So yeah, we'll do it again, absolutely, because I really enjoyed it. We're going to do that again in the autumn sometime. How about September, October? Because there is nothing more fun than giving things away. Let's see who would have won. No, I'm not going to do it. I'm picking one. Let's see if we had done one more thing. Oh, doesn't matter, because they didn't win anything. Sorry, everybody. So let's go to the selfie cam. All the prizes have been awarded. Sorry, Peg. Sorry, Angie. Sorry, Drew. Yeah, you were in there. I'm sorry that you didn't win. But there is next time an even better pair. So, yes. So, yeah, I'm leaving. I'm super, super excited to go. And I'm ready for some traveling as well. And hopefully the weather will be nice, but it doesn't even matter. So, congratulations to everybody. And I will be back because I'm going to be traveling. We're going on a bike. We're going to be bicycling from Porto to Santiago de Compostela in Spain. That will be very exciting. And so I will be back around the 22nd. So in 3 weeks, I will be back streaming, I promise. And thank you, everybody that supported me on this thing, and we'll do it again, I promise. So have a great time, everybody. Thank you, and congratulations again to everybody that has won. So, and yes, I'll contact everybody and send you your tracking info. So thanks again, everybody, and have a great week.